Hi, this is a summary and demo of my final project, Case Study in International Bike Sharing. What is a bike sharing system? A bike sharing system is a service in which bicycles are made available for shared use to individuals on a very short-term basis for a price. Bike share schemes allow people to borrow a bike from point A and return it at point B. Now, why bike sharing? Um, Bike sharing is sustainable and commuters can leave the stress of congested downtown traffic at the car park. Tourists can go here and there without having the hassle of multiple bus transfers, taxi fares, etc. Coming to the project goal and statement. This project's goal is to demonstrate how one can build a system that collects bike sharing data by certain criteria and indexes them into Elasticsearch for further analytics. Sorry, the big data source used here is international bike sharing data. It's a streaming data source which is being read from um, open channel website called satori.com, and this includes data from more than 5 cities across the world. This is the website and the channel. We can see that data is constantly streaming, which we have read in our application. Going to the processing pipeline. In the processing pipeline, we can see that we have Apache Niffy in the collection tier, and then comes Apache Kafka in the messaging tier, Apache Fling in the streaming tier, which puts data into Elasticsearch, which is then we can read through the Kibana UI, we can query the data, we can generate reports like pie charts, geo-visualization, etc. So coming to the details of the architecture and technology used in collection tier, we have used custom processor in Apache Niffy to read from Satori and put it into a Kafka processor. So it looks like this. We have the Satori processor, which is sending data to a Kafka processor, which is being then read by a Fling scale-up program, which is then processing the data and putting it into a Elasticsearch sink. So I have used a EC2 instance where Kafka, Fling, Niffy, everything is running, and also my Fling scale-up program is running, which is reading the data and sending it to Elasticsearch. Let's go to the Kibana UI. Here in the Discover tab, we can see all the data. We can query data from here, like for example, if we want to find data for country code Australia, we can see the number of entries here, and if we click on a particular entry, we can go and see the data here and the fields of the data. It's in JSON format, and if we go to visualize tab, then there are various different visualizations which we can see, and then we have already created dashboard. So here we can see the pie chart, then the geo visualization over here, US total count, and also the bar chart showing the top 5 publishers, where you can see that capitalbikeshare.com is the one which is having the highest number of bike rentals. Thank you.